everybody doing? My name is Carlos Zapata from Pearland, Texas. I just want to talk a little bit about my truck. I just picking it up today. Brought it over to Sxt for a complete engine rebuild. I'm talking about camshaft. I had a bent piston, replaced push rods, lifters. I mean, they did all kinds of other stuff, not to mention wiring. They fixed some wiring. They did some maintenance and some new harness for the transmission, a new stall. So I really want to thank Sxt for coming through and taking care of my truck. It's one of my pride and joys. I'm just happy right now that he took care of it, got it running right. We just went for a cruise right now for about 15 miles. No issues, AC blowing cold. Riding good. I was riding low too. So I also want to thank Chaotic Rods and Customs out of Montgomery. They did all the suspension and complete rebuild for the most part, paint, graphics, the whole 9 yards. So I want to thank them, and also Robert Rivera from Rivera Services for finishing up my interior. He did it probably about 8 years ago, and it's still in tip-top shape. So thanks everybody, and thanks to Sxt.